Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset a Honda CRV maintenance light. First, locate the trip meter reset button on your dashboard, usually near the speedometer. Next, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Now, press and hold the trip meter reset button. Keep holding it for about 10 seconds until the light begins to flash. After the maintenance light starts flashing, release the trip meter reset button. Immediately press and hold the button again. Continue holding it for approximately 5 more seconds. During this time, the light should stop flashing and then turn off completely. This indicates that the reset procedure is progressing correctly. It's a simple 2-step hold. Once the maintenance light has turned off, you can release the trip meter reset button. Next, turn your ignition key completely to the off position. This saves the new setting. Finally, start your Honda CRV's engine to confirm that the maintenance light remains off. If it does, you've successfully reset the indicator. This process is quick and easy. If the maintenance light remains on after your first attempt, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire reset process from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a second try to get the timing just right. Also, remember this reset is for the maintenance reminder, so ensure your engine oil and filter were recently changed. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, please see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.